I am Vipin Kumar, CSE Department, Gurukul Kangnam Vidyalaya, Haridwar. In this PPT, we will discuss array in C. So let's see. The definition of array. An array is the collection of different elements of same data type having continuous memory location. So array is a collection of elements. If we see in this picture, this is a type of array. Here 40, 55, 63, 70, 22. This is the data, and this is the collection of data. This is the internal structure of memory. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 8. This is the array index. If we see in this picture, there are totally 9 elements in this array. So total length of this array is 9, and this 0 is the LSB, and this is the MSB. So next slide. Declaring of array. Before we use any variable, we declare that variable. Suppose I want to store 10 values, then I will need 10 variables. If I want to store 1000 value, then I need 1000 variable, and I have to declare 1000 times of variable declare. That is very tedious work. Instead of that, we use array. So how to declare the array? Here the syntax of array. Here will be data type. Data type means integer, char, float, double. So this is the data type. We can make array in any different data type. Array name, size. Example for this, here int number 10. This is int is the data type. We can also take here float, double, and number is any variable, and 10 is the size of this array. How to initialize array means, how if we have once we have declared the array, how to store the value in array, or how can we initialize the array. Here int num5. Num is an array. The size of this array is 5, and this is the initialization way. How to initialize array? Here is see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have initialized array like this. If we see this picture, here is data 10, 20, 30, 45. There are total element in this array is 5, and this is the index. Index is one less from the size. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the index. So next, types of array. In C, there are two types of array. One dimensional array, like in this picture, in continuous memory, 10, 20, 30. This is your one dimensional array. Two dimensional array are used like table, like matrix. If we want to store data as like in matrix, then we will use two dimensional array. How to declare two dimensional array? If you see here in example of 2D array, char alpha 4, 3. Here 4 is represent the numbers of rows, and 3 represents number of columns. So actually what happened, this is look like as, but the data are stored in continuous memory location. Means if we see in memory in of 2D array, the data are stored in sequentially, but if we use 2D array, then it will show like this. So in this picture 1 2 3, here is 3 column and 4 rows, and the data of these matrix are A B C alphabet. So thank you so much for listening. Sorry. Advantages of array. Code optimization. Code optimization, less code to the access the data. As of traversing, by using the for loop, we can retrieve the element of an array easily. As of sorting, to sort element of array, if we have unsorted data in array, so we can easily sort dead data line of code only. Random access, we can access any element random using the array. Suppose I have 10 element array, then we can access individually any element of array by using the index of array. The next slide, disadvantage of array. Disadvantage of array, if we have declaring 1000 array and we use only 100 elements, so remaining 900 locations are wasted, and that will be allocated wasted for us. So is a fixed size. So thank you so much.